So this is the DEFU 368A. Came with a load of bits. Triangle for leveling the key, like that. Some cutters. I don't really know what the cutters are for yet. I have seen the key that I need to cut with these and the ones I've got fitted, the 1.5s. But I'll try the 1.5s first, see if we don't break them. So you get that as well for leveling up the key, basically. You just put it in like that. And then push the key up to it. Or, I see a lot of people do this as well. Like that. So they've got an exact measurement. And there's more grip on the key as well. So you do see them pop out now and again and it ruins the key blade. And that's an expense you don't want to do with. So that's what's included. Some people like put paper or a bit of credit card or something under there to jack these Honda ones up. But I've actually bought the proper spacer for it that lifts it. Lifts both of them out. Then you can cut the edges without doing damage to your blades, your cutters. So I'm just waiting for them to come. And I've bought some just blades on their own as well, because the blades on their own are only £1 each and these are like 12, so I'm just waiting now to do a cut. Oh yeah, you get an extra belt as well with it. So basically it's left and right. I've left that on. So left, right, you go forwards and backwards, and then with this, up and down. So when you first set it up, these will be loose. So just push them down till they're both connected and gone in a bit, and then tighten them both up. And just double check to make sure they touch at the same time. So when you're doing the cut, push it down so it's at the depth where you want to cut, and you can lock it off. And then you just move this backwards and forwards then. You do not want to leave this loose, otherwise you're going to be up and down with the cut. That's the mistake I made the first time we used it, I think. I didn't lock it off at the correct height. And then probably do three cuts instead of one, trying to do it all in one. So that's it. Make sure your key's level. With a leveling triangle. Like I say, people are pushing them right through to get more grip and measuring the back of the key. And that is about it. I have seen people adjust that screw there as well, but I don't know what that is for. I was going to adjust the height of these, but why would you need to do that when you can just adjust the actual bit itself? Oh, and when they first come as well, these are not on. There's two nuts. Take the nuts off and put your handles on. I see a lot of people using them and they're using ratchets and that, but there's no need. But then again, some are complaining that the threads ain't deep enough, but mine were fine. And now they work perfect. So that's all I can think of really, that's all I've learnt so far. You can get an adapter to cut house keys horizontally. I've got that on the way as well. I've got an adapter for the aluminium keys that they're similar to that, but only cut one side. I think they're aluminium as well. So that's it, it ain't plugged in, otherwise it's got a light switch and the motor switch. What I was saying about the adapters as well that I've bought, they save the need for packing as well, because some people are like putting a bit of credit card like that and then raising the key like that. But I'd rather have the proper tools, because it cost me 25 quid last time with a broken key, so definitely don't want that again. So that's it. As soon as that stuff comes, I'll cut the key and I'll film it. See if I can do a good job this time. I think I'm going to do it in stages. Just do a light cut, and then a second bit deeper cut, and then the third when it's touching, obviously, the bottom of the rim around. And also, I've noticed that when they're going this way and pushing the cut, it moves the key this way, but when they're going that way, it doesn't seem to. There's another problem. Can't be too far ahead out of this one because it won't cut to the end otherwise. So it seems to me, go to there and drag it back this way. But I'll know more when I practice. So what I meant by that was, when they're pushing from the front to the back, the key seems to push out and come loose. But when they're dragging the key from the back to the front, it doesn't seem to have that. It doesn't seem to shake loose and come free. So when I do it, I shall always start from here and cut this way, and then go to this side all the way down, and then come back. And also, I forgot to mention, if you do get a horizontal key, you can set the blades up and then turn that knob, and then it locks it. So it moves backwards and forwards only, don't go left and right. So obviously you can then move over your key. That was just two things I forgot.